My spoiled sister is out of jail and now expects me to give her everything to rebuild her life. As the only girl among 3 brothers, she was always my parents' favorite. They gave her whatever she wanted, even letting her bully my brothers. I moved out early, but my brothers often came crying about her breaking their things or stealing food. The breaking point was on my youngest brother's birthday. He was thrilled to blow out his candles, but my sister jumped in, blew them out, and laughed. My parents dismissed it, and I was furious. Years passed. My brothers moved in with me for peace, while my sister stayed with my parents. Things got worse when she was arrested. My parents begged me to pay her bail, and I reluctantly did. Soon after, she visited, admired my house, and demanded I hand it over to her. She claimed she needed the house to prove she'd changed and wanted my savings for luxury clothes and trips. When I refused, she screamed and stormed out. My parents now insist I give her the house because she's suffered so much. But I've had enough. I won't enable her anymore. She's beyond redemption.